Hey guys, today we are going to a very special place. We are going to Lençóis Maranhenses. To reach this place, we flew into the city of São Luís in North Brazil. From there, it was a van ride to the town of Barreirinhas. Then we were picked up by a safari jeep for a day-long trip to the national park. The safari jeep picked us up in the morning and we set off through the town.
So we've just been picked up from our hotel about 5 minutes ago, and we're in this kind of safari jeep. We stopped right next to the river. We think that we have to take a boat and cross the river and take another car from there. So we'll find out. We're just putting our pickup truck on the boat. I'm not really sure if you're gonna go on the same boat, but we'll find out in a bit.
You have to make a total of 2 river crossings, and it's a good idea to wear flip-flops and not shoes. The entire journey to the dunes takes about 2 hours, and you need to hold on tight as it can get very bumpy.
Yeah guys, so we've come to our first stop, which is the circuit of Lagoa Bonita, and just want to say that the ride is extremely bumpy. I mean, it's not a joke. It's probably the bumpiest ride I've ever had, so just prepare for it. Probably don't eat too much before you take this ride. There's no point bringing any kind of shoes, sneakers, trekking shoes, etc., because you have to take your shoes off anyway before you get onto the sand. And as expected, the sand is not at all hot. It's actually really pleasant. And we're doing our first descent up the first circuit, and that's going to be the first time that we're going to get to see how it really looks like. So stick around and let's find out. You're actually walking up in really fine sand, and that makes the climb really difficult. So you have to be, I guess, in some sort of fitness level to really enjoy this. To give you an idea of how difficult the climb is, there's actually a rope that you can hold on to as you're going up. Going up. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Nice.
The park is essentially a vast desert landscape of tall, white sand dunes and seasonal rainwater lagoons. We don't know of any other place with a landscape like this.
So, it's interesting how it feels like in such hot day, the sand should be scorching hot, but actually it's cooling. So the sand is quite cool and you don't need any shoes. You can just walk barefoot. I wonder what the temperature of the water is like. Let's check that out. Well guys, what can I say? The water is so warm and it's like a perfect spot. In the middle of the desert, the warm water to refresh you. It's really a paradise.
Joining us that day were 200 tourists. Almost all of them were Brazilians. As the sun started to descend, everyone took their spot to watch one of the most spectacular sunsets on Earth. After sunset, it was time for us to ride back to the base and to be jolted back to reality. On our way back to São Luís, we took some time to reflect on what we just experienced, and this is our verdict of the place.
So I guess the main question that people want to know is this a place that they should visit?
Absolutely, it's one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen.
In fact, I'll take it one notch higher than that. I can confidently say that this is the most beautiful place that I've seen in my entire life.
I think if I could do one thing differently, I would stay maybe longer there, and I would consider taking even a several-day tours inside Maranhenses, and to get to know the local community a bit better.
Yeah, that's an option you have. There's also stuff towards the ocean, things like kite surfing, etc. So if you like doing those kind of things, then you should definitely check that out.
Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more. This is Vika and Dudi from Homos Out There, and we will see you in our next adventure.